تحب النسكافيه انت؟ فما نسكافيه وما هكا الاخرى ما تحبش هي لسه على
Yeah, and maybe everywhere, yes. My English not so good. What we have, this is authentic Georgian food, and something other country also have similar food. Next name dumpling and momo and manti and other people have other names. What difference? We put inside other spices. From there we have two spices only, and also chili pepper, and also onion, and salt of course, and water. But today a very nice khinkali from sheep. But not all people eat sheep khinkali, and from my area we like it sheep khinkali. And very nice also pork and cow together, and two cow and one pork, and maybe. But today I have only beans khinkali because you like it only beans. Yes, and maybe khinkali not fat, khinkali not tasty. Khinkali have three nice situation. One of the fat, one of the water inside, and also chili. Yes, we make khinkali also potato and cheese, but next restaurant make it from mushrooms, but I don't like it with mushrooms because khinkali authentic. This is meat and cheese and potato. Yes, I don't because from my area. This is like king food. I love my khinkali. I love my tradition. I don't cook mushrooms khinkali. Here yes, water, flowers, and salt. Only.
No yeast.
But yes, but if you like it, you put one egg. But I don't put. Yes.
One egg for how much flowers?
Flowers, kilo flowers and 300 grams water.
Okay, kilo de farine. 300 grammes ماء ولا
3 مليلتر.
and one egg and enough. One egg.
I don't make khinkali from downstairs. I make khinkali upstairs. See, this together and stick.
Yes.
Stick. This is very easy.
هذيك تعملها إيباس باش تشد.
Voilà.
And after I seal it, yes, this is very easy.
Yes.
And also I press it, and this I take out. Yes, this is like garlic.
Yeah.
This is very easy.
شفتها
easy and nice.
And tasty.
بالبصل هذاك اللحم ولا.
So you have here meat, onion, cheese.
Not cheese, of course.
Not cheese.
Two spices. And two spices. This is one of the tamin, I don't know, and one of the chamber. We make this is from outside. It's very tasty.
And you boil it after
I put this is from boiling water. In boiling water, yes, salt. And what this I mix it. What this go up and starting boiling, and 9 minutes and ready.
في الماء يعني
احنا ناس نعملوا له طماط فريش ونزيدوا جبل رابط.
كسكس
عملتها كيف؟
We have a lot of things in Tunisia. Yeah, we eat a lot. Plus facile.
especially les agneaux.
اي والله بالله احيانا انا نعملها محنشه هكاك.
Very nice. Delicious. Yes, I not go from all country, but I see all country. Thank you. I see. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. You will come. Thank you.